California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips.
Okay guys, so when you enter in my room, this is the first thing you see. There's a mirror on my right side with a lamp. We like having the lamp there. If you hear a beeping sound, guys, I'm sorry, I have to change my battery. It just died on me several days ago. We also keep bottles of waters under the table because my kids love drinking water at night and they come here grabbing water, even though I have water in their room as well. But we also drink water at night prior to sleeping. My table here is from Goodwill. I have a set of two and I'm going to show you the other one. The lamp is from Home Goods and the mirror is from Walmart. And to tell you the truth, I can go without the lamp, really, and I can go without this table and have like another small table. What I don't want is like a table with cabinet or with storage area, because that's when clutter starts. That's when you start putting batteries and phone chargers. We don't keep any of these things there. We have designated areas for those, and I don't want to bring more clutter, so that's why I opted out for this table. But I don't like it, it's too big. I'd rather have a skinnier table against the wall. Anyway, that's for a different time frame. My bed here is from American Furniture Warehouse. The mirrors, they're all from Goodwill. I bought them like this as a set of 3. My bed and my bedding, guys, it's not fancy. For me, it's just, if it's made, it's clean, it's comfortable. We sleep in at night, we make the bed in the morning. It's enough for me. I am due for another bed sheet that I need to purchase, but I'm not very fancy when it comes to my bed. A couple of accent pillows and I'm good. I feel like too much pillows brings clutter, and I don't like flat pillows on the bed as well, like, you know, just laying there face down. I hate those either. So I'm telling you, I'm a minimal person who loves to decorate, which is a huge trouble. Okay, so we are going to go on that side. So on my left side is my closet, and we can do a different video for that, but we're going to focus on the bedroom right now. So here I have 2 chairs. Those are recliners. We love it. We sit here, you know, eat and, you know, talk and stuff like that. We don't have TV in my room, which maybe in the future I might have TV in my room, but I prefer it that way because I feel like we can talk, we can have fun. I have TV downstairs and upstairs. No need to have more TVs in my room. I feel like it's a waste of money. On this side, I have my husband's picture and our picture together. We have a dresser here that holds our personal items. So like our very dressy clothes and normal clothes will be in the closet, and on this side will just be you know, clothes that we wear to go to sleep, pajamas, and you know, like personal items there. I opted out, instead of putting that table right here, I prefer putting the chair over there and the table in the middle, just to create like a little coffee table area, since my room is not that big. So from this side, this is what you have here. It's my dresser. It's from American Furniture Warehouse as well. It's beautiful and I love it. I love the glass. I'm sorry, the mirror on there. I love this silver detail, and I will bring you guys close. On the table, on the top, I have a floral, which I need to change that color because it's definitely not in season. And there's a small picture there, which I will get close for you guys. Here is my bathroom, which we are going to go in. And here is my closet. So this is the table up close. I have a candle there that I can definitely light up. Like I say, I can do without the lamp. Really, we don't use it because we don't like sleeping with, you know, light. We turn all the lights off when we sleep. My husband sleeps better that way. Or we just turn the closet light on and we, you know, close the door a little bit so that it can dim the light, but we don't plug in the lamp really because we don't need it. I purchased it because I thought we were going to use it, but we don't use it that much. So this is the close-up of The dresser, there's a small picture of my husband, my daughter, and I several years ago when she was still a baby. So here's my bathroom, and let's go there. So when you enter into the bathroom, this is what you see. There are 3 towels here. We only 2 people that use this bathroom. We don't need 3 towels. But I like to put this one in the middle, just to differentiate, you know, give it a little bit of color, you know, I guess. But those things here are from, what is it called, Ross. But what I'm trying to do is get rid of these and get really like a really nice decor piece right there, like a wall art. In here we have a towel that when we wash our hand we use, and this sign that says amour, which means love in French, which we love. And there's nothing on my countertop, guys, and I prefer it that way. On this side, that's when we have our toothbrush, toothpaste, hand soap to wash your hand, and also let's see, the thing to rinse your mouth with. I forgot the name of it. But this is all that is in here. If you want to see more organization underneath here, please let me know. And I also painted this cabinet myself. If you're interested, leave a comment below that you are interested and I can do a video for you. Let me give you guys a quick turn around here. And so there's just this huge wall, which I don't have anything there either. I don't want, like, I just like the bright lights right there. We just have a simple floral and couple of how do you call it, toilet papers. And on this side I have a trash can. Also I have a toilet bowl cleaner and just the what is it called, toilet paper. But that's it on here. And on the other side, on my left, is my shower, which you don't need to see. There's nothing really there to see.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate it. If this is the very first time you're seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I will appreciate if you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. I hope this video has inspired you to be able to declutter and keep your home minimal. God bless you guys. See you on the next video. Bye, y'all.